What's up, guys? Today we will be using the Fortuna kit. As you can see where it says kits, yes, I'm the Fortuna. So yeah, we can summon cards to attack players. It's not season 8, but yeah. Let's see, we can deal like infinite damage with this. Okay, yeah, look at this skin. Okay. So if we put straight to their base first, wait a minute. Yeah, wait. They're the Fortuna too. Look, they're on pink team, and they are also the Fortuna. So yeah, if I like, okay, yeah, that's good. So yeah. Now he's trying to get to my base, and then yeah, he missed because I hit him off. Well, them off. So let's put some iron in our personal chest so we can get leather armor, because the protection is more important. Because we got protection and our cards to have the damage, and now he's trying to come to us, but he will never make it. Bro. Yeah, I have a weird thing that when I'm zoomed in, I can like see, but I died, and you don't need to know what I'm talking about. But wait a minute, where did you? Come on, you're not gonna get me, bro. Yeah. Scorched. Scorched is one of the best ones because you basically have an infinite enchant now. And now that we got enough wool, we can do a little bit of attack, let's say. Because we can take out pink team easy, can't we? Yeah. See that? He is about to get cooked. Yeah, he can. Yeah, I got him. Let's mine his bed plating once and for all. He tries to get me, but then I just get him. Yeah, oh. Okay, let's get crit strike. So yeah, his bed's broken, but now we can easy get him. Oh my god, he has life steal. Energy drain. So yeah, we can break his bed, and yeah, he's got nothing to do about that, and yeah, he's out the game now. Yep. Greater draw. Oh no, explosion! I could have gone explosion. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah, Monarch, I see you. Okay, yeah. Purple team, I don't think you have enough power to get me. Fireball thinks that's safe. Ooh, fisherman. Anyone else wanna get me out? I suppose not. Okay, now what? Oh yeah, look. Last one left, and we just won. Yay! That was OP, guys. OP. How much XP did I get? I got 2,000. Bye, guys.